Okay, on 110, you are multiplying binomials. So I started with these first two binomials, so you can FOIL. When you FOIL, you may need to go over to the side, y to the nth times y to the nth, you're multiplying by the same base. So that's going to give you y to the 2n, because when you multiply by the same base, keep that base and add those exponents. Now, I'm noticing that when I do the outer terms, whatever that is, it's going to be 2y to the nth negative. And then the inner is going to be a positive 2y to the nth. So those are going to cancel. And so whether you want to write those down or not, they're going to cancel. But then the last term would be a minus 4. Now, I am going to have to distribute the negative, but I notice right here that I need to square this binomial. So I'm going to bring down this negative because I know I'm going to have to address that. But I'm going to go ahead and FOIL y to the nth minus 3 times y to the nth minus 3. So when I multiply those first terms, that's going to give me y to the 2n. The outside terms, that's going to be minus 3y to the nth. The inside, minus 3y to the nth. And then the last, when I FOIL that, is a positive 9. So I can also simplify that. That's going to give me y to the 2n minus 6y to the n plus 9. Now I need to subtract that whole quantity. I also am going to go ahead and bring down this first piece, y to the 2n minus 4. So now I'm going to distribute that negative. So I still have y to the 2n minus 4 minus y to the 2n plus 6y to the nth minus 9. Well, notice when I start combining like terms, y to the 2n minus y to the 2n, that's going to cancel. So that goes away. Then I have 6y to the nth, and then I have some more like terms. I have a negative 4 minus 9, and so I'm going to write that as 6y to the nth minus 13.